Hello everyone. Ever wondered why some people are able to solve very complex problems and that too in less time? What was the reason that scientists like Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton were able to introduce complex theories like the quantum theory of light, theory of relativity, discovery of gravity? The reason for this out of box ideas is their high IQ level. Playing chess. Playing chess improves your problem solving abilities, improves your concentration, stimulates not only the right but also the left side of the brain. Playing chess helps us to strengthen your corpus callosum. A study conducted in 2003 in Venezuela showed that students who took chess classes for 14 weeks significantly improved their IQ. Also, a study conducted in Flinders University in Australia showed that students who played chess had higher IQ levels. And cherry on the cake is that playing chess also prevents dementia. Meditate. Many students found that meditating for just 20 minutes in a day not only improves your efficiency but also lowers your stress levels. According to the neuroscience study, those who started meditating improved their IQ by an average of 23%. Also, people who meditated showed significant improvement in their creativity levels, concentration, and their self awareness. So, don't forget to spend 20 minutes daily on meditation. Learning a new language. Okay, don't get stressed. I'm not talking about Python or Java. You navigate through a set of new rules, that is, grammar of that language, when you are learning the language. It forces cortical thickening and increases the volume of the hippocampus. This process helps you in improving your problem solving abilities and negotiating. So, these were the techniques that will help you to improve your IQ levels. So, start following these steps and improve your intelligence, and who knows, you may be the next person to come up with a new invention. Thank you.